Dyma newyddion radio. Yn ei Affrica, mae tyrfaoedd wedi dechrau ymgynnull i groesawu Nelson Mandela, sydd i fod i gael ei ryddhau o'r carchar ym Mhen Blwyau. Mae'n sered diogelwch 5 mewn grym o gwmpas y carchar yn Cape Town, lle mae e'n cael ei gadw. I Mr Mandela yn y carchar am 7 mlynedd ac 20. Ar ôl cael ei ryddhau, mae disgwyl iddo gynnal cynhadledd newyddion yn Cape Town, ac i ymddangos ger bron y dorf ar falcon neu at y dinas. Mae Cymdeithas y Swyddogion Carchar wedi arwyddio a bydd rhagor o wrthdystiadau mewn...
Time 3 o'clock. The news desk rejoined this page. The African National Congress leader, Mr Nelson Mandela, has been free. The historic moment of his release was delayed for more than an hour. Then Mr Mandela and his wife Minnie left the convoy of cars to walk hand in hand through the gates of the Victor Verster prison near Cape Town. They gave clenched fist salutes to hundreds of ecstatic supporters. Our Southern Africa correspondent Mike Woolridge saw the moment of his release.
Yes, he's alongside Winnie Mandela, both of them raising their arms in the air. Many in the crowd can see them. A roar of ANC goes up from the crowd. Mr Mandela is to walk out of this prison to freedom. And now Mr Mandela walks through the gate. He's a free man as of this moment. Waving his fist repeatedly in the air, smiling. He's a very alert, very imposing-looking figure, slightly greying hair, upright, and beaming Winnie Mandela alongside him.
Mr Mandela is now on his way to Cape Town, where he's to make a major speech. Large crowds have gathered there to hear.
The festival dominates the scene outside the City Hall, where thousands of people have been waiting several hours for Nelson Mandela to arrive. A huge banner in the colours of the ANC has been hung from the balcony where Mr Mandela will address the crowd. Busloads and carloads of chanting supporters continue to arrive at the city square, waving ANC flags and hooting their horns. Large groups of people, mostly wearing Mandela t-shirts, are singing freedom songs and dancing around the large square. The rally organisers have set up a public address system so that Mr Mandela's voice can be widely heard and television cameras can be seen on every high vantage point around the square.